Curious about how much pay per click PPC advertising costs in India? Wondering if it fits your budget and how it can benefit your business? You're not alone. Today, we'll break down the costs of PPC in India and help you understand what you get for your money. Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to our channel. Whether you are a small business owner or managing a large marketing campaign, knowing the cost and options for PPC advertising is crucial. Let's dive into the details of what you can expect to pay for the PPC services in India and what factors influence these costs. PPC or pay per click advertising is a great way to quickly get people to visit your website and boost sales. You pay each time someone clicks on your ad. While not every click will lead to a sale, the overall benefits often outweigh the costs. For example, you might spend $3 on a click that results in a $300 sale. With a good PPC campaign, the return on investment can be high. Just to be sure to pick the right PPC package to make your campaign successful. In India, PPC packages usually cost between INR 10,000, that is USD 120, and INR 1 lakh, that is USD 12,000 per month. With our pricing model, companies pay a percentage of their total ad spend on Google AdWords. PPC marketing can greatly boost your business in 2024, but the success depends on the services offered by your PPC provider. What ads are typically included in PPC packages for 2024? You can find many different PPC packages in India with various costs and features. It's important to know what standard and comprehensive packages include to choose the right one for you. Here are some common types of PPC ads you might find in a comprehensive package. The first one are search ads. These are the most common type of PPC ads. They appear when users search for specific keywords on Google. Your ad will show up above or below the regular search results marked with the word ad. Display ads. These ads appear on websites users visit while browsing the web rather than when they are searching for something specific. They usually cost less per click but have a lower conversion rate compared to search ads. When choosing a PPC package, check if it includes display ads. Remarketing ads. These ads target users who have visited your website before. Since these users have shown interest in your product or services, remarketing ads can help bring them back and encourage them to complete a purchase. Google Ads is the main platform for these, but there are other options available too. Video ads. Video ads are becoming more popular because people watch a lot of videos online. They can help you to reach new audiences who don't know about you yet. YouTube is the main platform for video ads and integrates well with Google Ads if you are already using it for other PPC campaigns. Paid social media ads. You can also run paid ads on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. If you're already running ads on Facebook, you can easily extend them to Instagram since Facebook owns Instagram. Social media offers various ad options, including remarketing ads. These target users who have visited your site before. Prospecting ad. These aim to attract new potential customers. You can choose between image ads and video ads for your social media campaigns. When looking at PPC services and packages, check if social media ads are included. While standard PPC packages might offer some of these options, lower cost packages may not include all of them. Choosing the right PPC package is the key. Make sure to review what's included and how it aligns with your marketing goals. Some packages may be more budget friendly but could be limited in the ad types and features offered. Moreover, factors like your industry, competition, and the specific goals of your campaign can all impact the cost. For example, a highly competitive industry will likely cost more per click than a less competitive one. The cost of pay per click or PPC advertising can vary based on several factors. The first one being industry. If you are in the field where many businesses are bidding for the same keywords like real estate or insurance, it can be more expensive. This is because more businesses are competing to show their ads when people search for related terms. Competition. The more advertisers there are for a specific keyword or market, the higher the cost per click. If many companies are bidding on the same keyword, you will have to pay more to get your ad shown. Campaign goals. What you want to achieve with your campaign can also affect cost. If you are aiming for a broad reach or high visibility, it might be more expensive compared to a campaign targeting a very specific audience. In simple terms, if you are in competitive industry or market and if many other businesses are also running ads, you are likely to pay more for each click on your ad. At Softtrix, we understand that every business has unique needs and budgets. That's why we offer affordable PPC packages tailored to fit different requirements. Whether you are just starting or looking to enhance your current campaigns, our team is here to help you get the most out of your PPC investment. Our experts will work with you to design a cost-effective strategy that aligns with your goals and maximizes your returns. If you have any questions or need assistance finding the right package for your business, don't hesitate to reach out. So there you have it. Understanding PPC costs in India is the first step in creating a successful ad campaign. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do hit the bell icon. Thank you.